Okay, guys, turn around.
Oh, it's a puppy! So cute!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! What do you think, Paige? Is that good?
That's so cool. So cute.
Come here. Who wants to go first? It's a girl.
What are we going to name her?
We're thinking Sammy.
Name's Sammy, yeah.
I like that name.
What do you think, Paige? You want to pet her? Why not?
Now we have a cat and a dog.
There you go.
I have an idea. Her name Royal.